Hello everybody, this is a Sideman portable mini amplifier. Use a headphone on this one. It's a personal amplifier where you can use your headphone. I got this in 2010 and I'm going to show you how to change the battery. This one doesn't have a battery right now because I put it in storage, so you don't want any battery inside there. Otherwise, if this thing leaks, then you have to change the battery holder in this one. So this is the front, this is all the control side here. So the battery is in the back here where the headphone is. This one also uses a 9-volt adapter, a power adapter. The inside is positive, the outside rim is negative right here. I'll take a picture, I'll put it up. So just remove the screws here. You only need to move 2 screws. Should have just gone all the way. Pull the cover and battery compartment here. So put the battery here. Only goes one way. Push down. Put the cover back on. Screws. And you're good. That's how you change the battery. Not tighten up. Alright, so that's how you change the battery on a Sideman portable amplifier. Hope this helps you guys, because I don't think you can get a manual anymore, because this is since 2010, so 14 years old already. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please, if you click the like button, it helps me a lot. And that's it. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.